Method number 2, experiences to achievements. And this is an activity which is very important because we often think that when we go into the job market or labor market, we need to have experience which we only connect to experience we had at work. So this activity is mainly to show that whatever experience one has in their lives, it can be transformed into an achievement, and achievements is what we want the participants to have. So we generally introduce a different formula of a CV, which is achievement oriented, and then we go through first sharing the theory of this kind of achievement relation or achievement oriented looking at different experiences we have in our life. Then we go into the CAR formula, which is challenge action, amount and metrics and result or impact activities. So we have the challenges, we have the amounts, and we have the results, the numbers. And the participants, they are invited to take some experience of their life, think about that experience, and then transform it into these three elements. What kind of challenges happened during that experience? What kind of metrics can we put over that experience? And then what results came from that? And this is on one hand training for them to see how different activities in their life can be transformed into achievements that we could put in our CV. But then on the other hand, for them to see value in whatever experience they have in the past. So it starts with individual drafting. A person lists at least 2 experiences they have, and this can be depending on the age, either an experience they have out of job market, or we can also take somebody who is more experienced and they have already a CV, and we tell them, okay, bring that CV and choose 1 or 2 experiences that you have in your CVs, and we transform them into achievements. So first this person works individually, transforms it. Then we pair participants so they can have a peer review of these achievements now already transformed, and they can give the support. And then we invite everybody into the group to again share their final results, and then if the group has any input towards that, then we give the space for them to share or to correct it. In the end, we want the participants to finish with a set of achievement-oriented experiences from their past, which will introduce them into the model of achievement-based CV.